Mike, congratulations on behalf of the service merchandising team. Excited for you. We don't get to do this very often, but it's exciting when we do, and glad we can reward you for something as simple as just testing batteries. It's phenomenal. Congratulations to you, and hope you enjoy the Toolbox.
It is our pleasure to present you as the grand prize winner of our ED18 testing contest in December, a brand new $10,000 Snap-on Toolbox. Congratulations.